Hello everyone, this week is about extreme programming and cyber. First question, how should companies introduce XP? Companies are better to choose a smaller, less critical project at an early stage to gradually introduce XP. Because first, the core concepts of XP include working with small teams and writing simple code. Handbag emphasizes the advantages of small teams, recommending that project teams preferably have no more than a dozen developers and encouraging them to work in pairs to complete a single task together. This team structure helps produce better quality code while reducing testing and debugging time. Second, because the company have been using more traditional project management and development methods, and the current IT staff knows almost nothing about XP, it's more practical to choose a smaller, less critical project. This choice helps the team become familiar with the principles and practices of extra programming, reducing the potential risks associated with trying extra programming on critical projects. By experimenting on small projects, teams can more easily manage change and build on their success to extend the XP's reach and move on to larger, more critical projects. Second question. Are traditional project management tools available in extra programming? Yeah, in my opinion, traditional project management like WBS cannot be used in XP because the first, traditional project management creates a detailed work breakdown structure for planning and organizing the project by hierarchically breaking down the project work before it starts, while XP is an agile approach that emphasizes flexibility, iteration, and collaboration. Second, traditional project management emphasizes the hierarchical structure of the project. The work package is divided by function or stage, and the division of labor is clear. But XP encourages small and autonomous teams with an emphasis on open communication and collaboration, and a greater focus on the full participation and of the entire team in the project. Third, traditional project management resists change, which often requires cumbersome change control procedures. But XP is more flexible in accepting changes and encourage customers and teams to make flexible adjustments during the project. Last, the traditional project management emphasizes on detailed documentation such as project plans and requirements specifications, which are usually developed early in the project. But XP focuses on the delivery of working software, less emphasis on a large number of documents, and more attention to face-to-face communication between teams. The third question, estimation methods in XP. Park planning and time boxing are adapted to XP's agile and iterative development environment with an emphasis on team collaboration, adaptability, and timely delivery. The use of these methods in XP helps meet rapidly changing requirements and ensures that teams maintain efficiency and quality. First, for park planning, team members estimate the complexity of user stories by throwing playing cards, and group discussion can involve the entire team rather than relying on one person's estimate, both to leverage the knowledge of more experienced members of the team and to promote teamwork. Second, with relative estimation, teams are able to evaluate and plan user stories more quickly. This is in line with XP's principles of rapid iteration and just-in-time delivery, allowing the team to respond quickly to changes and customer needs. With relative estimation, it's easier for teams to adapt to new user stories and changes. For time boxing, it emphasizes completing tasks within a fixed time frame. This helps the team focus on ensuring that usable product increments are delivered within the iteration cycle. Second, the fixed time frame of the iteration cycle forces the team to focus on the iteration goals and ensure that there are usable tested parts of the product at the end of each iteration. Third, at the end of each iteration, there is an opportunity to resize and reprioritize, encouraging the team to respond to changes in a timely manner. The last question, impacts after introduce XP. First, XP emphasizes close communication between developers and users to ensure understanding of user needs. This may require developers to become more actively involved in writing user stories, developing test standards, and interacting with customers. Second, the core principles of XP include rapid iteration and timely delivery, which may differ from traditional project development circles. Developers may need to adapt to shorter iteration cycles and frequent deliveries to ensure products respond quickly to changes and meet customer needs. Third, XP emphasizes test-driven development and automated testing. Developers may need to learn and adopt these practices, including writing test cases, unit testing, and acceptance testing before writing code. It may take some time to get used to this new way of development. Last, extra programming encourages refactoring code to improve efficiency and maintainability. Developers may need to move away from the traditional method of focusing only on feature delivery in project development and focus instead on code quality and continuous improvement. After this, it will improve developer quality and productivity and reduce the number of defects. Second, it can also reduce the number of developers and increase efficiency and help to improve the successful delivery rate and quality of projects. Thanks.